Okay, our mold is ready to open, and I'm going to show you how I patch the larger holes in a bead when I want a smaller hole. When it's ready, the top of the mold should come off easily. It shouldn't stick. I generally leave the spare to trim until I'm opening the mold, especially on beads like this, and then I simply cut across next to the bead. And to patch the hole, I use the spare. The reason for this is it's the same thickness as the bead, it's approximately the same wetness as the bead, and it will make a nice patch that is not likely to crack and is easy to accomplish and works good. So here's the hole that we're going to be patching. I use a brush, synthetic brush with a angled end on it like this, plastic angled end. This makes it easy to smooth off the patch once we're done. First I will dip the brush in a little bit of water and wet the hole. Then I dip it in the slip and pick up a little slip around the hole and pick up the piece of spare that I previously cut. Put it down on top. Dip the end of the brush, the handle end, in a little bit of water, and then I simply press this down gently into the hole and smooth it out. Now, because we're working with a hollow bead here, we need to make sure that it's not going to explode when we fire it from all of that trapped air inside. So what I generally do is I turn the bead over, and using the needle I put a hole in the other side of the bead, just a small hole. This will allow it to vent and make it easily drilled when you get done. Now, as you can see, you can barely see where that patch is, and we can smooth it down further if we want. It's left a slight indentation, which we can leave.